Hi ladies, this is Lalita Dinesh, founder of Aptus Academy. I am super excited to announce our first workshop for women. Do you want to be a teacher or a trainer or an edupreneur, or you want to shift your career towards teaching? We'll help you to discover the path and achieve your dreams. I am in this education field for more than 15 years. I have trained a lot of teachers and homemakers to settle in well-reputed schools across the globe. Why can't you be one of them? Every year before the school starts, I receive calls from schools asking for teachers. That time I realized we are searching for the well-equipped teachers for this society. My passion is to build the best teachers for this nation. Come, let us share a lot of stories on July 3rd at 11 a.m. For further details, visit our website at www.aptusacademy.com. Thank you so much. See you soon in the workshop. Bye.